you guys, what's good, what's popping? It's your girl Bhavna back with another exciting video. In today's video I will be showing you guys all the products that I picked up from the Great Indian Festival sale, which is happening on Amazon. It's still going on till November 2nd, I guess. So I shopped for a few products. So all the products that I picked up in the sale are in this container. There are a couple of products that I still didn't receive, but I just wanted to film this video before the sale is over, so just in case if you guys want to pick anything up. So with that, let's get into the video. But before getting into the video, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon right beside it so you get notified every single time I post a new video. So let's start with skincare first. I picked up the sheet masks from Garnier. One is the Hydro Bomb serum mask, so this is in the green tea variant. So I picked up both of these for 150 rupees, I guess. So you get an eye mask. This is like a under eye cooling mask. I really love this. Before doing my eye makeup, I think this is really essential. It originally costs for 99 rupees. I mean, I wouldn't spend 100 bucks on an eye patch just for one time use, but I grabbed both of these for 150 rupees, so I thought that was like really good. Alright, so next step, I picked up the Rimmel concealer. This is the Match Perfection concealer. This is supposed to be a skin tone adapting concealer. This kinda looks like the LA Girl Pro concealer because it has this brush sort of a tip. I've used this and I got it in the shade 030, that is Classic Ivory. I thought this would be really light on my skin tone, but it matched my skin perfectly. I'm NC40 if you are wondering, so it suited me well. It blended very well. It didn't go on patchy whatsoever. It gave me medium to buildable coverage. I think I would definitely pick this up for an everyday use. This is originally priced for $4.99, I guess, but I picked it up for 250 rupees. So you get 7 ml of product and you have different shades to choose from, and also it's not drying at all, which is again a good thing. Alright, so next up, I actually picked up a makeup brush. I know you guys will ask me, Bhavna, you have so many makeup brushes, do you really need to purchase another one? But trust me you guys, let me tell you something about this brush. This is first of all very tiny. Look at that, it's so freaking cute. I mean, the fact that it was so tiny, that's the reason I was gravitated towards this brush. This is from Ducare and I really love their brand. But trust me you guys, this brush is so freaking good. First of all, the bristles are amazing. Like, it's so soft. Today I've used this brush to apply my foundation and it just blended my foundation like a dream. And I am definitely gonna purchase another brush. So one will be in my vanity and one will be in my bag. So every single time I wear makeup and go out, after some time my makeup starts to get oily and I definitely carry a compact powder with me. So just in case if I need any touch-ups, so this brush is gonna do that for me. You can see the shape, so you can contour your face, you can apply a cream blush. This was just for 180 rupees, you guys, on sale. That's the reason I picked it up. The original price of this is around like $4.99 or $7.99, I don't remember, but I picked this up for 180 and I think this is totally worth your money if you are looking for a very tiny travel friendly brush. Alright, so next step, I actually picked up a setting powder. Now I have been eyeing on the setting powder since a very long time. So this is the Palladio rice powder and I've heard a lot of things about this. It's time for me to actually test another setting powder. I was looking for a really good budget friendly setting powder and I picked this up for 400 change or 500 rupees, and I picked this one in the shade warm beige and this suits my skin perfectly, and this is what I've used today on my skin and it just mattified my makeup. I love how this set my base and mattified my face very well. If you are looking for a new setting powder other than Fit Me or like the regular ones, you can definitely check this out. This is really good. You get 17 grams of product. Alright, so next step, I picked up a blush. lip and cheek tint. You guys know that my hauls are incomplete without a blush or a lip and cheek tint. So I picked this up from Iba Cosmetics. This is the Timeless Mocha, and I love this shade so much. I actually love this product so much. I'll tell you the reason why. First of all, the shade is so unique. I don't have anything like this in my entire collection, so that's the reason I picked this up. I've used this today and I've actually noticed that it didn't budge my foundation or my setting powder. I usually prefer using all my lip and cheek tints before setting my face, but today I forgot to use this product, so I thought, okay fine, let me test it on top of my setting powder, and trust me, it didn't budge my setting powder whatsoever. It didn't disturb my makeup, which is why I really love it. Again, a thumbs up from my side. Check out if there is an off on this. I think I remember picking this up on an off as well, so yeah. Alright, so next step, I picked up an eyeshadow palette. Now this is from Mars Cosmetics. I actually picked up two eyeshadow palettes. One is from Mars Cosmetics and the other one is from SFR Cosmetics, but that didn't get delivered, so I didn't want to wait. I really wanted to put this video up before the sale. It wouldn't make any sense if I put this video after the sale, because obviously you guys can't purchase anything. Now this is their new launch. I actually have their old palette. This is in the shade Smoke It Up, and this is more of like an everyday browns and nude eyeshadow palette, and this one is called Soft Glam, and this is more on the berry neutral tone shade. This is their new launch, which is called Soft Glam, and this is their old palette. So I think the shades are pretty good on this palette. They are very different from this one. I love the shades and the selection of shade range. Absolutely love Mars Cosmetics as a brand, and I've used this palette today to create this look. I just did a very nice simple glam makeup look. I've used this as my transition shade and I just blended it all over, and then I've used this one as my shimmery shade on top and used this one to create a wing, if you can see. A little drama but subtle. Loved this palette and how it blended. The shades are very beautiful. The shades blend in very well. Really good pick, you guys. If you are into soft berry pinky nude shades, then you should definitely check this one out. Again, this is their Soft Glam palette. Alright, so we are left with three products. One is the Insight Cosmetics highlighter. Now I have seen so many people rave about this product, so I was like, hey, it's just for 90 rupees, so let me pick this up, and I got this in the shade Cosmic Power, and this is what it looks like. Alright, so that is what it looks like. It actually blends well on your bare skin rather than my cheek, because by the time I applied this, I already set my face and everything. So I actually wanted to test if this would apply well on powder product, but it didn't really do a great job. I mean, it was a little patchy. I didn't want to take a risk and like ruin my makeup. I just went ahead with another highlighter and did my highlighting today, but I believe that this is gonna look good on top of foundation before setting your makeup, of course, just like the lip and cheek tints. I'll definitely have to test this out again, but I don't want to judge this right away. Next step, for my lipstick, I've used this lipstick from Insight Cosmetics. This is in the shade Tyranny, that is 21. I've actually had this liquid lipstick since a long time, but I've never really used it, not even for once. So I thought, you know what, let's just use it in this video, and this is what it looks like. It's a very nice warm toned red shade, which looks good. Last but not the least, I picked up these makeup removing pads from Sincera Cosmetics, I guess. This was again for 200 change, and these are reusable. You just need to wet them up and remove your makeup. It is supposed to remove your entire makeup and leave your skin squeaky clean, and then you can wash your face. And these are a very sustainable way of removing your makeup. So yeah, now that these are added to my collection, so I'll use this and let you guys know how this removed my makeup. Hi guys, I'm so sorry for the interruption. This clip is to show you guys a couple of products that I literally just received while I was getting ready for another video, so I thought I should include these two in this video. And also I was getting ready for another video actually. So this is the palette that I called for. This is from the SFR Cosmetics in the shade Nude. And you guys, when I say that these palettes are pigmented, I used this palette today on my eyes to create this beautiful glamorous look. And let me show you the shades. This is actually a dupe for the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and the packaging and everything is same. You get a mirror, but the shades, oh my god, can you see that? Okay, so I've used this shade for the transition and this shade on my lid. If you can see, it looks so freaking good, you guys. Trust me, I can't believe that these palettes are so underrated and no one is actually talking about them. I will definitely use these palettes more often on my YouTube and on my Instagram and let you guys know my thoughts about this palette. I just love it. Like, look at the pigmentation on my eyes. They are so freaking good. Then I got the Mars concealer. This is what it looks like. It's a very close dupe for the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Although I haven't tested them out side by side, I actually used this concealer today underneath my eyes and to conceal my face, and I really am impressed with the quality of this concealer. I'm yet to test it out with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. If you let me know if you guys want to see a comparison video, so I would definitely do that for you guys. So far I loved the first impression of this concealer which I used today. So back to the video again. So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon right beside it so you get notified every single time I post a new video. If you are wondering about the links to all of these products, check out the description box. You'll find the links to all of these products so you can shop your heart out. So the sale is still November 2nd, so make sure you guys grab everything before the sale because it's good to purchase anything during the sale. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.